Yeah, I think it's amazing. It's learning. This is just making things just more efficient. Who wants to keep asking more and more prompts? The faster you can get them to the end result, the better off you're going to be.
All right, so we're going to talk about how AutoGPTs will change business and marketing forever. AutoGPTs are the ability for GPTs to talk to each other, to communicate with each other, and basically to auto-prompt each other. So once you ask it one question, it'll just keep going down the list, and it might take you from the beginning to the end with much less human assistance required. What are your thoughts, Neil?
Yeah, I think it's amazing from the aspect of it's learning. So when people are prompting and they're asking questions, and when you are, it's learning what are you trying to solve for, like what's the end result you're trying to achieve, and it's trying to figure out what you need to know, every little thing in between, so that way it can just help you get to the end result faster. And this is just making things just more efficient. And why wouldn't they do this? Who wants to keep asking more and more prompts? At the end of the day, you're just looking for an answer to your problem, or you're looking to get a specific solution. And if they can help you get there faster, it's a win-win.
Let's say Neil's teaching in India or something, and I want to take his talk and translate it over into Mandarin and put my face on it so I become a superstar in China or something. That's possible. You can change everything, and it's going to be that easy to pull nefarious stuff. And you better believe there are bad actors out there. So I believe business and marketing will change. There's going to be good actors as well. But fundamentally, the cost of innovation and the cost of getting things done now is going to decrease quite a bit.
I'm not too worried about the bad actors. You're going to see a lot of these companies like the OpenAIs of the world set parameters and rules so that way people can't use the technology for abuse. And I'm not saying it's going to be perfect. You're still going to get some bad actors. But overall, you're going to see a lot of these platforms control some of those things, and you're going to start seeing governments step in and make sure that people aren't abusing and trying to really hurt others. Just like if you hack and you do mischievous things, depending on what you're doing, and I'm not a lawyer, you could potentially go to jail and there could be some crazy ramifications for it. But going back to AutoGPT, it's pretty much learning. At the end of the day, why should you have to be good at prompts and type in tons of things to get the answer that you're looking for when it can just end up giving you the solution? And if you think about marketing, your goal as a marketer is to help people solve their problems as fast as possible. Whatever people have issues with or whatever answers they're looking for, the faster you can get them to the end result, the better off you're going to be.
Only 38% of Americans think that AI is a net positive, whereas 78% of the Indians and the Chinese people believe it's a net positive. So, your mileage may vary. That is what it is. Like, try to learn as much as you can. Try to experiment as much as you can so you don't fall behind.
Now, if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'm here to answer them and help you out. If you enjoyed the video, like it, share it, tell people about it. Thank you very much.